Imagine waking up on a crisp autumn morning in Japan, where the air is so fresh it almost tingles with possibility. The gentle hush of the countryside is broken only by the soft rustle of leaves and the distant call of a songbird. As you step outside, the world feels calm and full of promise, inviting you to slow down and savor the moment. Delicate cherry blossom petals drift lazily through the breeze, painting the air with their soft pink hues. Each petal seems to dance on the wind, a reminder of nature's fleeting beauty and the importance of appreciating the present. In this tranquil setting, a steaming Japanese miso soup power bowl sits invitingly on a wooden table, its warmth promising comfort and nourishment. The bowl is more than just food. It's a symbol of the peaceful connection between nature, tradition, and well-being. The earthy aroma of miso mingles with a subtle hint of seaweed, filling the air with a scent that is both grounding and uplifting. The steam rising from the bowl carries with it the promise of deep, satisfying flavor and gentle warmth. This is more than a meal. It's a mindful experience in a bowl. Each spoonful encourages you to pause, breathe, and truly taste the moment. The act of eating becomes a quiet ritual, a way to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. The miso soup power bowl embodies the harmony and balance that are at the heart of Japanese cuisine. Every ingredient is thoughtfully arranged, creating a visual and culinary symphony that delights the senses and nourishes the body. Each component, miso paste, tofu, seaweed, and fresh vegetables, is chosen not only for its flavor, but also for its health benefits. Miso provides probiotics for gut health, tofu offers plant-based protein, and seaweed brings essential minerals. Together, they create a meal that is both deeply satisfying and naturally slimming, supporting your well-being from the inside out. Preparing this dish is a way to connect with a culinary tradition that has been lovingly passed down through generations. Whether you're cooking alone or with family, the process itself becomes a cherished ritual, linking you to the wisdom and care of those who came before. And yet, despite its deep roots in tradition, the miso soup power bowl is wonderfully accessible. In just 10 minutes, you can assemble a meal that is both delicious and perfectly aligned with your health goals. It's proof that nourishing food doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. The combination of miso, tofu, and vibrant vegetables transforms this humble bowl into a true nutritional powerhouse. Each bite delivers a balance of protein, vitamins, and minerals, fueling your body and mind for whatever the day may bring. It's a celebration of simplicity and nature's best ingredients, presented in a way that honors both tradition and modern sensibilities. The beauty of the miso soup power bowl lies in its ability to be both humble and extraordinary at the same time. Let this bowl transport you to a place of peace and well-being, where every bite is a gentle reminder to slow down and appreciate the small joys in life. In a world that often feels rushed and chaotic, the miso soup power bowl offers a moment of calm and contentment. This is more than food. It's a celebration of life's simple pleasures, a way to nourish your body, soothe your spirit, and connect with a timeless tradition, one comforting bowl at a time. The magic of the miso soup power bowl lies in its carefully chosen ingredients, each one thoughtfully selected to create a harmonious blend of flavors and nutrients. This dish is a celebration of nature's bounty, bringing together wholesome elements that have been cherished in Japanese cuisine for centuries. Every component plays a unique role, not just in taste, but in the nourishment it provides. At the heart of this bowl is miso paste, a traditional Japanese staple made from fermented soybeans. Miso is not only rich in probiotics, which are essential for healthy digestion and immune support, but it also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, manganese, and copper. Its fermentation process unlocks deep, savory flavors, making it a cornerstone of umami in Japanese cooking. Despite being low in calories, miso paste adds a profound depth of flavor to the soup, transforming a simple broth into something truly comforting and satisfying. Its umami richness is what gives miso soup its signature taste, warming both body and soul. Tofu, another key ingredient, is a powerhouse of plant-based protein, making this dish filling and energizing. It's also a great source of calcium and iron, which are vital for strong bones and healthy blood. Tofu's gentle flavor and soft texture make it the perfect canvas for soaking up the savory broth. As it simmers, tofu absorbs the soup's flavors beautifully, becoming tender and flavorful with every bite. It's a wonderful way to enjoy protein in a light, easily digestible form. The addition of mushrooms, spinach, and wakame seaweed brings a vibrant array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to the bowl. These vegetables are not only nutritious, but they also add color, texture, and freshness to the dish. Mushrooms in particular contribute a hearty texture and are known for their immune-boosting properties. They're a source of B vitamins and selenium, supporting energy and overall wellness. Spinach is packed with iron, fiber, and a range of phytonutrients that help keep your body strong and healthy. Its tender leaves wilt perfectly into the hot broth, adding a subtle earthiness and a boost of green goodness. Wakame seaweed, with its delicate texture and mild flavor, is rich in iodine, which supports healthy thyroid function and metabolism. It's also a source of calcium and magnesium, making it a true superfood from the sea. When combined, these ingredients create a dish that's both delicious and deeply nourishing, offering a perfect balance of taste, texture, and nutrition in every spoonful. By choosing these wholesome ingredients, you're not just enjoying a comforting meal. You're nourishing your body with nature's very best, honoring a tradition that values both flavor and well-being. Begin by heating your broth, water or traditional dashi stock, over medium heat. Let the flavors meld gently. Patience here is key. The rising aroma fills your kitchen, setting a comforting mood. The broth is the canvas for all other ingredients. Avoid boiling. A gentle simmer preserves delicate flavors and nutrients. Small bubbles should rise, not a rolling boil. Once the broth is ready, it's time for the next ingredients. This step ensures your soup is rich in flavor and nutrition. The gentle simmering preserves the integrity of every ingredient. With the broth gently simmering, it's time to introduce one of the stars of this dish, sliced shiitake mushrooms. These mushrooms are not only prized for their deep earthy flavor, but also for their impressive nutritional profile. Rich in antioxidants, they help support your immune system and add a satisfying umami note to the soup. As you add them to the pot, notice how their aroma begins to mingle with the savory broth, creating a comforting, inviting scent that fills the kitchen. As the mushrooms cook, they slowly release their juices, infusing the broth with a robust, earthy essence. This process not only deepens the flavor, but also enriches the soup with valuable nutrients, making every spoonful more nourishing. Next, it's time to add a burst of color and freshness. Gently toss in a generous handful of fresh spinach leaves. The vibrant green leaves wilt quickly in the hot broth, adding a tender texture and a pop of color that makes the soup visually stunning. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrition, bringing a wealth of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and dietary fiber to your bowl. It's an ingredient that not only enhances the look of the soup, but also boosts its health benefits, supporting everything from your immune system to your bones. Now, sprinkle in some dried wakame seaweed, a classic staple in Japanese cuisine. Wakame is celebrated for its subtle oceanic flavor and its impressive nutritional content, especially its high iodine levels, which are essential for healthy thyroid function. As the wakame rehydrates, it transforms into silky, delicate ribbons that float gracefully in the soup. Its gentle taste and smooth texture perfectly complement the other ingredients, adding a unique layer of flavor and a touch of the sea. As all the vegetables simmer together, they create a beautiful medley of flavors and nutrients. The broth becomes a canvas, absorbing the essence of each ingredient and turning into a nourishing elixir that's both comforting and revitalizing. This step is about more than just cooking. It's about creating harmony in the pot. Each ingredient is given a chance to shine, contributing its own unique taste, texture, and color to the final dish. The result is a soup that's as beautiful to look at as it is delicious to eat. When you ladle the soup into bowls, you'll notice how the mushrooms, spinach, and wakame come together in a vibrant, inviting presentation. This isn't just a meal. It's a celebration of wholesome, nourishing ingredients, thoughtfully combined for maximum flavor and nutrition. Whether you're enjoying it as a light lunch or as part of a larger meal, this miso soup is perfect for anyone seeking a healthy, delicious option that's both satisfying and energizing. So take a moment to savor the balance of flavors and textures in every spoonful and enjoy the nourishing comfort that only a bowl of homemade miso soup can provide. Once the vegetables have softened, gently add bite-sized tofu cubes. Tofu absorbs the soup's flavors while adding subtle creaminess. As a plant-based protein, it's ideal for weight management and nutrition. Let the tofu warm through without stirring too vigorously. Tofu contains all 9 essential amino acids, plus iron and calcium. It keeps you full and energized without excess calories. As the tofu warms, the soup comes together in harmony. The blend of miso, vegetables, and tofu is comforting and nourishing. Simple, wholesome ingredients create a truly satisfying dish. Now, it's time for the miso paste, the heart of the bowl. Remove a ladle of hot broth, dissolve the miso paste in it, then return it to the pot. This method ensures even distribution and preserves probiotics. Never add miso to boiling broth. High heat destroys its benefits. The miso enriches the soup with deep umami and a touch of sweetness. This step is key for authentic Japanese flavor. Miso is packed with nutrients and beneficial bacteria for digestion. Incorporating miso supports overall health and wellness. Enjoy the transformation as the broth becomes rich and savory. Finish your miso soup power bowl with fresh garnishes. Sprinkle sliced green onions for a sharp, fresh note and vibrant color. Add a dash of sesame seeds for nutty crunch and healthy fats. A few drops of sesame oil or a splash of soy sauce can deepen the umami. Use these sparingly to maintain balance. For a spicy kick, add chili flakes or fresh chili slices. These touches elevate the soup's flavor and texture. Your miso soup power bowl is now complete, ready to enjoy. Savor every bite of this nourishing, beautiful dish. For the best miso soup power bowl, use fresh ingredients. Fresh vegetables and tofu maximize flavor and nutrition. Always simmer the broth gently to preserve nutrients. Add miso at the end to protect its probiotics and flavor. Dissolve miso in a small amount of broth before adding to the pot. Experiment with garnishes to suit your taste. The right finishing touches can elevate your soup. These tips ensure your bowl is both delicious and nutrient-packed. Enjoy a meal that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Making a miso soup power bowl is about embracing quick, healthy cooking. In just 10 minutes, you can prepare a nourishing, satisfying dish. This recipe is perfect for busy days. No compromise on flavor or nutrition. The miso soup power bowl celebrates Japanese tradition and balance. As you enjoy it, appreciate the simplicity and beauty of wholesome food. Let this inspire you to explore more healthy, delicious recipes. Start your journey to joyful, healthful cooking with every bowl.